In front of me is POCO F6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. Begin by opening Themes app and tapping on Home at the bottom left corner and selecting in Home section Themes 1 at the top to pick one of those themes. You can even click on the search bar instead and type in wherever you want to, or just click on one of those options. You can even hit categories at the bottom in the middle and pick one of those. After finding a perfect theme for you, you need to click on it. Select Download. Hit Apply and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, you need to go back to Themes app, select My Account at the bottom right corner and hitting Themes. Then select POCO or Limitless and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!